How you doing, guys? Once again, it's Eric, and this time I got a big one for you. Boom! This is the battle box for June, and it's fucking huge. I can't wait to see what's in this one. I'm not going to be able to do the whole box on camera because it's just too big. But I'm excited because I have no idea what kind of massive treasures are going to be in here. Let's see what we got. Oops, I'm not done yet. Alright, first item. Feels kind of like a weapons cleaning kit. Looks kind of like one too. Coyote brown, tan, whatever you want to call it. Let's see what we got. Probably got some swabs. Yep. Excellent. Got the ramrod, cleaning rod. Got a set of plastic picks. Oh wait, I think this Velcro's open. Velcro's open like that. Pretty cool. So we got a set of picks in here. We got the actual cleaning rod itself and the swabs. This looks like it has some patches, a vial for oil or CLP, a bore brush, and a toothbrush or just plastic cleaning brush. Pretty cool. Definitely useful if you're into shooting at all. And I like this container, military style, but in the coyote brown, which is especially out here in the desert, is a good color. Unless you drop it, then you might never find it again. So already we know we're going to be somewhat weapons related. Let's see what else we got. This looks like some kind of buttstock ammo holder. Again, coyote brown. It's either that or it's for your arm or leg. Has a detachable pad here of some kind. Goes on the side. I'm guessing it has to be for the buttstock because it has a band on the back. So if your arm were in there, it would be in the way. So you put that on the buttstock. Got some shell loops in here. Something's in this. I think it's just a pad. Interesting. I'm not sure what that is. This looks like it doesn't open. It's just a pad. Let's see if I can open this up. Yeah, it's just a foam pad. So this is some kind of buttstock protector, cheek rest thing maybe. Interesting. I'll have to read to see exactly what this is. It's definitely something along those lines. Let's see if my hair is staying good. What else we got? This looks like a bench rest of some kind, a sandbag bench rest. And it is olive drab or OD green. Free desiccant. Don't eat it, man. They take the fun out of everything. So yeah, so this is a bench rest that you can kind of elevate by squeezing it together, and as you can see, so you can put it on all sorts of things, a flat ground, some kind of branch or something, whatever you want. You can lay it flat like that, all sorts of different ways. It's got slightly rubberized coating, and then the rest is nylon canvas, feels like. It's an interesting smell to it. Weird. It feels like charcoal. Oh no. I think that's from this. Let's see what else we got. We got a book. Long-range shooting. That is cool. I like long-range shooting. I will definitely read through this. Beginner's Guide to Precision Rifle Shooting. I don't know if I consider myself a beginner. It's a little bit uncalled for, but I'm no expert, so I will read that. Here we have a tool of some kind. The Gun Tool Original Multi-Tool for rifles and shotguns. Might not be a bad thing for a range bag. It's fairly large. Has all sorts of Torx bits and Allen wrenches on there. Has a punch or push pin of some kind. Those are always good to get cotter pins out, things that you don't want to push too hard on with your finger. Got to have some blade. Interesting. Windage and elevation key of some kind. And then it has something here too. Oh, regular set of screwdriver heads. Look like they come out and then they go in the end here. It's magnetized. It's magnetized inside too. That's good, so they don't fall out. So you got regular screwdrivers, Allen wrenches, and Torx bit, a little blade, flat head with a little key of some kind on there, a push thing. Pretty cool. The gun tool. Put that away for now. This is heavy. Feels like another sort of kit of some kind. I don't recognize that logo. It's like a gas mask of some kind. Let's see what we got. Ooh, it's a knife. It's a heavy knife. It's like a bronze color. Check that thing out. That is a crazy looking knife. Kind of interesting design, but it fits the hand really well. Weird, like sheep's foot kind of blade almost. Very interesting. Liner lock, or frame lock, I guess, technically. Right here. It's actual frame. Very interesting knife. Cool looking though. Not sure how practical it is, but it sure fits in my hand pretty well. Be good for like shaving type applications. And it looks cool. Kind of futuristic. And I like the case. It's foam inset shaped for it in the spot here where you could put a sharpening stone or wipes or something. There we go. Pretty cool. Now there's the really big thing in here. Some sort of oh wait, here's something else. You got a little tiny can of Spartan Accuracy grease. Interesting. Some kind of lubrication. It's always important. Don't want to be tearing stuff up. I could use some on my hair. I think I'll pass on that. A little bit of grease on that container. Yeah, it smells like a CLP or a weapons grease. Let's see what we got. This is some kind of, almost looks like a backpack gun case. This says, relentlessly patriotic on the thing here. Let's see if we can get a better look at this. Yeah, it looks like some kind of oh, it's a Company 9 line. I've heard of them before. And if you see, it's like a range bag gun case. Has all the stuff on the outside. Smells fresh. Got a spot here where you can put your patches. It's got elastic here to hold it shut. You can make that looser if you want. Several similar pouches here. Molly webbing. And then on the back you can see, I think it goes the other way. You can actually carry it like a backpack. It has a handle on top, so you carry it like a briefcase or normal gun case. Or if you need to trek out to your shooting spot, which this would be pretty cool for a bug out bag. Or for somebody in your party to have, at least in a situation where you can't just be open carrying your weapons, but you still want to take them with you. This would be pretty fantastic. Or in a situation where you have to hike out to your shooting spot. Like I know some of the spots out here in the desert, you're not necessarily just going to park and be right there. So something like this would be fantastic. It's not super long, so obviously you're going to need it for a shorter M4 or something like that, or AR-15. It's not going to be your Barrett 50 cal. Is not going to fit in here. But it would be useful for a lot of the shorter weapons. Let's see. It feels definitely like it has some padding on the inside. See what it looks like. Yeah. Got 2 compartments with bands. So you've got 2 guns in here, and then this will keep them from smashing into each other. Pretty cool. Definitely pretty cool. I will definitely be using this. Most of this stuff. I love shooting. I haven't got to do a lot of it lately because I'm a slacker, but I'm stoked about this. Definitely nothing to get you back into it like a bunch of brand new sweet gear. So this thing I will definitely use. The cleaning kit, of course, I can stash this tool in there. This depends, on if I need to use a bench rest or not. But definitely a useful thing to own. Pretty cool kit. Always like these. This one's particularly useful for me. Love it. Encourage you guys to check out BATTLBOX Battle Box, because this is the kind of cool stuff that you get every month. Definitely awesome. I love opening these up. So if not you, someone else in your family, or even you could split it with someone, do like every other month or something like that, or just split the gear up. Badass stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later.